Howdy doody, folks. It is 5:05 p.m. Central Standard Time here in Tulsa, Oklahoma, in the United States. Love this country, and yet I'm like so embarrassed as well. Anyways, let's get right down to it, shall we? We had another event today, another C flare, with CME. I'll show you guys the CME here after a little bit, and look at this right here. See that popping down? Remember the other day I showed you guys that when it first showed up? I told you, nope, that's supposed to be going the other direction. Like literally all the way up here. It should be top M absolute. How do you do that? Did somebody put a big shield between us and the sun, blocking us from getting the rays? Or a large planetary object? Like, zoop, just kind of went in front of the sun for a minute? More likely, they should have went this way. Let's be real. Although, that stuff is a real deal. And look at this. Look at all these little buggers. Pop, 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 pop. There it is. And then, bam, down that way. And then they're like, well, we can't keep doing them down here. They'll probably figure it out. So, they actually had a couple going up. Because, come on, that doesn't make any sense. It's right about the same time every day. Notice that? There it is. And then, boom, had this one. Let's see what we got down here. You know what's funny is that we're supposed to be in a major event. Look at this right here. 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, up to a G2. Where is it? Good question. I'll show you. I'll show these guys over on the other one. This one here, of course, we know that this is off. I'll go ahead and play it for you. And then we'll go to ISWA, where it's a lot more accurate. If this thing's gonna play. Oh, it's all butthurt because I said I was gonna go to ISWA. My computer's listening. That's hilarious. All right, now here we go. This is the one that we got later in the evening. That C flare. Here it is. Whoop. So it looks like we took about somewhere between 10 and 15. I'd probably say maybe about 12, which isn't too awfully bad. I don't think. I mean, bad enough, but yeah. So that's all we're gonna do here now. And now the funny thing is, we'll go to their homepage, and guess what? Oh, shoot! Kid you not, folks. My computer has been hacked. My account has been hacked. That is the third time that they have been into my phone, into my computer, and literally disconnected my internet. Third time today. I'm like, are you freaking kidding me? In fact, they did it the first time they did it. I wasn't the first 2 times they did it. I wasn't recording. But you remember yesterday there was a warning here. G-Storm. It's not here. This is the homepage. Where'd that go? How come they don't have that there? Good question. It doesn't make no sense to me. Alright, so we'll go over here and take a little tap on this baby and see how she rolls out. Alright, you can't really see the date, but right here is, right there is September 2nd. It's today at 16:01 UTC time. That is 4 o'clock. UTC, that's 5 hours ahead. So from 16, that would be 11 o'clock Central Standard Time. So this afternoon is when we got that little bugger right there. So actually it'd be, well, wow, that's a lot of time missing. It goes from 1600 to 1200. Wow, that's crazy. Not real happy about that. Okay, there's 1400 right there. So 1400 minus 5, so 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock a.m. is when we were at the peak of it. But let's not forget the guy back here. You know, this one right here. 829. That was a big one. So, and you can see the plasma hitting, boom. And then we're gonna have more plasma coming here. It actually builds up for this guy here. But yet they don't show a smack coming off of it. You notice that? They don't show that secondary wave. Kind of annoying if you ask me. All right, and that one's going to hit on September 8th, around 12 o'clock UTC time. That puts us at 7 a.m. UTC time. So right when everybody's getting up and going to work, we're going to be hit by that third one. The third bigger one, because, I mean, by all rights, this is absolutely a slammer jammer, if you will. Another way of us getting popped, so to speak. All right, now let's go to this guy. See if we can find out where it's coming from, huh? Now, something I do like to say about this one, if you do slow it down, a lot of times, now we'll see the flashes. If there's just a CME, we may not see the coronal mass ejection, but we might see a flare if there's a flare associated with it. So let's start with this guy here, huh? Oh yeah, see all that? Oh, Butamus. She's not happy. Boom. Oh, nice. Yeah, it kind of popped off a little bit, but you see this guy right here? That's filament. I don't know if you guys were able to see it, but this thing actually kind of ejects off as it gets around the corner. We can go to a different color instrument. I'll actually try and find that. But one of the things on this here, like I was telling you, on this color here, and it's only this green color, this green one, you'll actually see stuff going up and down and left and right through the screen. It's really odd. I'll see if I can try and find one, and if I find one, I'll click back up. If not, we'll go to the next one. Okay, we'll take a look at this one and I'll show you. But look at this. Here it is. Don't you find it kind of funny? On the green one, they actually had a black box that went whoop all the way over here and then covered the whole diggum area. And here, oh, we can hide it with just this thin one. Come on, it's not the camera, folks. It's not the satellite. This is intentional. How do you just only have half of a damn box here, but then have the full box on with through a different colored angstrom? Huh? Sorry, doesn't work that way. Now, I guess you guys can't see that, but yeah. So I'm gonna actually hit play, and then I'll bring her back, and you can watch the whole thing. When I'll show you the when she pops up. There we go. Now you watch over here. This one here, I was showing you. It actually goes whoop. It pops off. This one actually spits out too. See, there goes that. There goes a whole bunch of that. And this one goes whoop, spits it out. Bam. Some more of this over here is lifting off. I mean, look at all this stuff. Woo! That's crazy. See that? Spit it out again. Let's go look at another one. All right, here we go. Starting with this one. This right here is that filament that I was telling you about. You'll watch it lift off. Well, that went off the back end, but watch it. Twist off. Coming at you in like a hurricane or like a tornado. Boom. Do you see it? There was more of it that kicked off. See how that one covered up the whole diggum area? Mm-hmm. Codfish. Yep. This is pretty decent. It's not major. I mean, any effect really is anything coming at us right now is really gonna suck. I mean, we need a good 12 to 24 hour break so that we can recover, so our shields can kind of bounce back. Because I mean, the more that we continue to get hit over and over and over and over and over, that's not good. Check this out, folks. They're literally stopping me from looking at any more of these. Watch. I've been over here hitting play. Look. Nothing. It is not letting me do anything. It's not changing. This isn't changing. They're not allowing it to change. They're getting on to me. Hey, screw off, Cabal. I don't give a crap if you like it or not. The truth is coming out and everybody knows about it. You act like I'm some kind of big fish or something. I'm a little fish to fry. Shoot, I'm not even a morsel, so leave me alone. Quit messing with me. Look at that, folks. It's not letting me do anything. And I still have internet. I'm looking at the signal. I just checked it. Well, let's try over here. Let me just get off of that one. Come over here to this young lady. Right over here. And I'm going to slow her down. I'm going to hit one and hit play. Might have to do 2 videos again on this one, folks. Now, if you notice, I'm going to do this because I want us to be able to try and keep an eye on the time. Because this thing has been skipping around. Did you guys see it? Are you guys seeing all of these things? I'm really hoping that you guys are looking at this and going, whoa, what was that? And you're noticing. Did you see that? That went doot, 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 doot. Like you could actually see it going straight towards the sun. Now letting it play one click at a time. I'm hoping you guys are actually seeing this, like, and you can see it hitting one at a time, and you're going, wow, that's actually moving. I mean, look at that. Where'd it go? Another one. Boom. Where'd he go? Where's he going? Yeah, in my second video tonight, folks, I'll actually we'll actually go through these one frame at a time, and to kind of keep things a little easier for you guys to save a little bit more time, I'll actually pause it, and then I'll actually, click forward until I find one, and then I'll unpause it, show you, and then go to the next. So that way it can go through all of them, and it'll actually save a little bit more time on everybody. Ooh, there goes that one. That's the 31st. Oh yeah, we need to get caught up to today. We need to get caught up here. This is all from the 31st. We need to get caught up to the 2nd. Ooh, that's a nice one, huh? There we go. All right, now we're on the 2nd. Seeing him go. Keep an eye on the time. I'm actually going to speed her up a little bit. Should be 12 minutes. See how it's going? Oh, we missed 2 of them right there. I was actually going to speed this thing up, but I don't think I should, because then watching the time is not going to be very fun. In fact, I actually know that it actually skips ahead here in just a little bit. Here, really quick. Where's it at? Do you see all the movement? Do you see him moving all over? Woo! Hey, whoa! Look at that bugger. He was hauling balls, wasn't he? Holy cow! He had a big old photon torpedo coming at him. He's like, I don't think so, Johnny. Wow. Okay, hold on. Hold the phone on that. We're gonna look at that real quick. That was nuts. Did you see that? Look at that. 1524, 1600, 36 minutes missing. Something. I mean, what happened there? Where is it? 1448 to 1512. There's half an hour. Oh, wow, look at that guy. It's one of my little buddies. Looks like he's spewing off a bunch of crap, though. He might be hit. He's leaking. Luke, get out of there! Sorry, not really. Yeah, I don't think they're going to let us see it. And that's the end of this one. We're going to come over here. C3. We're going to get it started at least. Well, actually, let's hang on just a second. All right, here we go. 2. We're going to go with 2. Try and get her sped up a little bit. This is from yesterday. Okay. Look at that. There's that planetary, nice, perfectly round object. Look at that. Still there. Still see you. Whoa, whoa, whoa. What was all of that? Did you guys see that? Where'd it go? We're missing a lot of time here. Did you guys notice the time? 1542. What in the heck? There's 20-some minutes there. Whoa, we're missing a lot of time there. 1606. My goodness. We'll have to finish this up on the next one, folks, because we're about to run out of time here. But yeah, there's a lot of time missing. We didn't even get to today's. Let's see here. Look at all this noise. Oh, there's a little bit of time there. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Fun stuff. I'll cover